Video we're going to go over how to change your hours of operation and also set up special hours like holidays or days that you may be closing early. On the left hand side here, if you click on the settings wheel, this will then open up this page here. And in order to change your hours of operation, what we want to click on is the location button. Clicking on the location button will open up the area that we can fill in our address as well as our phone number and also our hours of operation. So here you can see that we've got our hours of operation. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will start off from scratch and build it out from there. So in the hours of operation that are your daily hours of operation, you'll want to make sure that you're using 24-hour time. If you're open on Monday, you'll just basically click on this, change it to Monday, and if your hours are 9 a.m. until 11 p.m., you'll just have 0900 hours to 2300 hours. In order to copy this for the rest of the days, you can click on the little copy button here, and if your hours happen to be the same every day, then you can copy that 6 times, and then go in here and just change your days so that you have each and every day available. If there is a day that you are closed, for example Sundays, then you'll just want to make sure that you do not have a Sunday option, and that will automatically close your store on that day. If you have a day that you're open up different hours, so for example maybe on Saturdays you open early for breakfast at 0700 hours, and maybe you close earlier on Saturdays at 9 o'clock, which would be 2100 hours, then just go ahead and change that in the system and make sure that you do click save at the bottom here in order to add that. We're going to add on here the Sunday just for the tutorial purpose and have that open for our demo and click save. Once we save, the store will automatically open and close every day as per the hours here. Now we do have a special hours slot right underneath of that. And this is very important to make sure that for holidays or maybe any specific day that you decide to close down early, that you do have these hours available in here so you don't need to turn the system on and off. By clicking on add special hours, it will open up this little area here. And now we can do whatever it is that we need to do. So today is December the 12th. If I was closed today, what I would do is uncheck the open button, and you'll see here that everything gets grayed out, and this would mean that we're closed today. If I click on save and then I look at the front end of our system and I try to order something for today, you'll see if I choose pick up and I choose later that today we're closed. So this has automatically closed us for the day. If we go back into the system and we wanted to make an update to this, then what we could do is we could say open, and maybe we're not closed all day, maybe we're just closing early because of bad weather or it's New Year's Eve or something. And for that purpose, then we would maybe change this, instead of being 9 o'clock, maybe we want to close at 5 o'clock. So we would change this to 1700 hours, we would save it, and this will automatically shut us down today at 5 o'clock, only on this date here, December the 12th. And if this happened to be a Wednesday as an example, next Wednesday, our system will automatically make sure that we're closing at 11 p.m. because the only day that these special hours are going to affect are the actual day of the date that we have in there. The other area where this would be very helpful to use on a regular basis is when we know we're going to be closed ahead of time on certain days. We want to make sure that we block people out so that they can't do a future order for that day, like Christmas as an example. And we also want to make sure that we're able to not forget to turn off the system when we're receiving online orders when nobody's at the restaurant. So in order to do that, we would just add another special hour slot. We would choose the day that you want. So maybe that's going to be December the 25th. We're going to uncheck opened so it closes. And now on December the 25th, we will automatically be closed. And we could do that for as many different days as we need. We can add another slot. Maybe we're closed on New Year's Day as an example. So we would choose that. We would uncheck the open box. And now you can see that December the 25th and January the 1st, our store is now going to be closed. Make sure you hit the save button, and that's all there is to it.